In recent years, more woodworkers and hobbyists have embraced benchtop router tables as essential tools for precision joinery, decorative edgework, and efficient workflow. As typists and gamers appreciate fine switches, build quality, and layout, so too will you appreciate a router table that offers excellent flatness, fence accuracy, solid mounting, and value for your shop.
List number 1. Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1181 is one of the most capable benchtop router tables you'll find in its class. According to independent reviews, it features a large 27-inch by 18-inch aluminum work surface and an aluminum fence with MDF faceplates, giving it premium rigidity and accuracy. The router mounting plate is pre-drilled for many common routers, including Bosch and other brands, and the table includes extras such as featherboards, bit guard, and a vacuum port. What stands out, the aluminum top provides a smooth sliding surface for workpieces, and the large size gives you more room to maneuver larger stock. In a test, the table held itself steady under repeated bit changes and various routing tasks. The built-in dual outlet allows you to run the router and a dust extractor from one switch. Users on forums mention this as a strong convenience.
List number 2. Bosch RA1171 25.5 inches by 15 7/8 inches benchtop router table. The Bosch RA1171 offers a more classic cabinet-style benchtop router table design with a laminated MDF top, tall aluminum fence, dual dust collection ports, and routing accessories included: featherboards, clear guard, starter pin. This model is well suited to users who want a stable, dedicated router table that stays mounted and offers storage and dust control built in. Standouts: the tall fence and dual dust ports are particularly helpful if you route tall stock or want cleaner dust control. The pre-drilled mounting plate fits many routers and allows above-table height adjustments. Users in reviews say it is easy to use and of great quality, especially for a dedicated shop table. Considerations: because the top is MDF and the table is heavier, portability and mobility are less than lighter models. The cabinet design means it's less compact for job site portability. If you need to carry it around or store it frequently, you might prefer a more compact portable model.
List number 3. Bosch RA1141 Portable Benchtop Router Table. For users who value portability and convenience, the Bosch RA1141 hits a sweet spot. According to Bosch's own spec sheet, it features folding legs, an easy-click router mount for quick changes, laminated MDF top, tall fence with adjustable featherboards, onboard storage for bits, and minimal assembly required. Independent reviews highlight that this model delivers ease of use and stability while remaining compact and transportable. Pro Tool reviews. What works? The folding legs and compact footprint make it ideal for job site use or smaller shops. The easy-click mounting system reduces time spent leveling the router. Accessories included, featherboards, starter pin, help you get going quickly. Limitations. The MDF top and folding leg design mean its overall rigidity and mass are less than heavier models. For high-precision large work, you may experience more vibration or movement. If you clamp it well to a bench, it performs much better.
List number 4. Skill SRT1039 Benchtop Portable Router Table. Skill's SRT1039 is targeted at the DIY enthusiast and job site user who wants good value and built-in features. Reviews note that the 26 by 16-inch MDF top, aluminum miter gauge slot, dual-sided bit storage, above-table router lift, and accessories, featherboards, surface inserts, miter gauge, make this table surprisingly feature-rich for the price. Pro Tool reviews. +1. Additional commentary highlights laminated top, integrated storage in legs, and a smooth work surface. Tools in action, Power Tool reviews. Pros: very good value. You get many accessories included and features like above-table adjustment and integrated storage that many higher-priced models omit. The table is stable and smooth for general routing and joinery tasks. Cons:
Some users note the dust chute or clogging issues and some durability limitations compared to higher-end models. Lows, +1. The MDF top may require more care and clamping to stay flat under heavy use.
List number 5. SKIL RT1323-01 Router Table and 10-amp Fixed Base Router Kit. This product is a combo kit. It includes the router table and a fixed base router, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. While full independent review details are less widely published compared to other standalone tables, from package specs, it's aimed at users starting out or who want a complete setup in one purchase. The inclusion of a router gives added value. You also get a 10-amp motor fixed base router, which is adequate for many common routing tasks. What to note? Because the table is bundled with the router, some compromises may be present. For example, table size, fence quality, or adjustability may not match premium standalone models. For serious or professional work, you might eventually upgrade table or router. But for entry-level or budget-conscious shops, this kit saves you from buying separately.